Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out any computer system model name in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So to find out any computer system model name, what you need to do is just press Win plus R to open the run program, and under the run program you need to type this command name as msinfo32. Just type this command in the run box, and after that just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now you can see the system informations, right? So on the right side you can see details of the system summary, right? So under it you can see here a name system model. So the system model indicates the name of your respective computer. So right now I'm using a HP 630 notebook PC. That means I'm using a laptop. So the model name of my laptop is HP 630 notebook. So in your case it might be different. So if you does not know what is the model name or the system name of your respective laptop or your desktop, then you can just go to these options and you can easily find the system model name of your respective Windows computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.